Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you something that I'm loving. It's the Birchbox subscription. Getting samples is the best because you can try them out before you buy a full size if you end up loving something. It's only $10 a month and you can subscribe for 3 months, 6 months, or even a full year. It's only $10 and it serves as an amazing gift, whether it be for the holidays or for birthdays. It's actually perfect. It's my favorite thing, and you can also send it to yourself, of course. So if you want to learn more about the Birchbox subscription, please keep watching. I'm going to be talking about the summer box that I got recently, and each box comes with this card and it tells you the name of each item, a little blurb about the item and what each item does, as well as the full price of each of the things that come in the box, which is so helpful when going through each of the samples. The first item that I wanted to share with you from the summer subscription box is the Matrix hair mask, and it says here that it's Total Results Miracle Creator Multitasking Hair Mask. The full size is $5, so it's not that expensive, but it gives you a nice sample right here. You can see. And this is great. I have really dry textured hair, so I'm looking for anything and everything that can help hydrate my hair. So I was really excited when I got this. I haven't used it yet because I wanted to show you guys, but I'm really excited to use this one. I feel like it's going to be really hydrating and will condition my hair and kind of leave it very soft and silky afterwards. So I can't wait to use this. The next item is LOVE Beauty Primer, and it has SPF 50, which is huge, and I'm so excited about that. It comes in different colors and different tints. This is the beige tint, which works amazing with my skin tone since I would need something on the lighter side. And let's see. Oh, perfect. I just put a little bit on my hand. It rubs in perfect and you can barely see it because it totally just blended in with my skin tone, which is amazing. This is great. I like this. LOVE Beauty, and I just want to tell you how much the full price is. 20 bucks. So that's great. This is awesome. Mattifying primer. Love this. I will definitely be using this in summer, especially when you get really oily and sweat a little bit when it's so hot out. This is amazing. Love it. The next item is a sample from Dr. Jart, and it's a really small guy here, but the full size is actually $48, which is a lot, and it's a cream. It's a Ceramidin cream, if I pronounce that right. And it's a lightweight cream and makes it a powerhouse hydrator that boosts skin's moisture retention, which is huge. I think, all of us need moisture to help hydrate, especially as we get older, our skin gets drier. Even if you have oily skin, the underlying skin can sometimes be on the drier side, although you have oil on top. So to kind of restore that moisture is huge. And this, I think, is going to be perfect. And this is a great sample too, since the full size is so expensive. Some might be hesitant to purchase that at such a high price point, so I'm really excited to use this. I can't wait. The next item that came in the Birchbox subscription this month is Peak Beauty blush, and it's a fast drying blush, and it came in this cute little tub and it slides across, revealing this really pretty shade of blush. I used it a time or two, so don't mind my fingerprints in there. But it's really pretty and soft, and it's fast drying, which is huge because it's kind of, I don't know if you consider this a liquid, it's not a powder, but it dries really cute, and it's kind of sheer, but you don't want a blush that's so pigmented on your face because that can look very harsh. So this is actually perfect, and for summer, that light peach color is, ideal, and I think will be really pretty and flattering many skin tones. The next item is a Beautaniq Glow Serum. It comes in this pretty little tube, and what it is, it's actually a highlight, and you can highlight your favorite features with this pearly pink hydrating cream. I'm actually reading from this card so I don't miss any of the description because I want you guys to know everything that's on here. This is basically just a highlighter, and it's in an apricot color, and I love highlighter. I think it's so pretty. Ooh, I think I just put like the entire thing on my hand. Oops. But let's see. Ooh, it's really pretty. Oh, that's so pretty. Look, I spread some out. I don't know if you can see it. I spread some out here, but it's very pretty, very shiny. I think that would look gorgeous. You can put it on the high points of your face as well as your shoulders or your collarbones. That would look so pretty. I'm really excited. This full size is 22, so it's definitely on the pricier side, so it's nice that you get a sample to try it out. And you guys, there was one other product, and it was the Oribe Wave and Shine Spray, and I'm so embarrassed because my mom took it and borrowed it and I totally forgot, but I'll show it right here. And the full size is $42, so it's definitely a little bit pricier, but I didn't even get a chance to use it and I gave it to her because she wanted it. But that's the other item that came in the spring box. Thank you guys so much for watching. I was really excited to share with you all the different products and samples that came in the summer Birchbox. It's a subscription box that I love getting for myself, and I love sending it out to friends and family because it's not that expensive, and who doesn't love getting a package in the mail with all beauty samples? I mean, come on. If you guys have any ideas or would like to see any other videos from me, please comment below. Ideas really help me out and help me film what you guys want to see. I hope all you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.